Today, we're making Rice-A-Roni meatballs. My daughter and her boyfriend are. Right, Izzy?
Yes. We are. They're about to be so good.
Rice-A-Roni meatballs.
Look at my Christmas earrings.
She's got some seriously festive earrings on today, right?
Yeah. Josh is not festive.
And if I can figure out.
Yeah, I put a sweater on at least.
Look at our eyeshadow. Ooh.
Hers is better than mine.
Josh said at least he put a sweater on.
It'd be really cute if I inserted a picture right now with our Christmas outfits.
That'd be cute.
So if I can figure out how, I'll insert a picture to show you just how festive we were earlier today.
Yes.
So let's see what's going on in the kitchen today. We got Eric eating. What are you doing, babe? He's eating a chocolate cake from
Cheesecake Factory.
Cheesecake Factory, thank you. I got Izzy and her boyfriend Josh. Hey Josh. Making Rice-A-Roni meatballs.
Yeah.
Ooh. We got Augie hoping that they drop some hamburger on the ground. And puppies in and outside the house. Bear is in, Bear wants to go out and Charlie wants to come in. They just want to be together basically.
We're making extra Rice-A-Roni meatballs. Normally we only make one of these, but since we're bringing it to a Friendsgiving Christmas party, we gotta make some extra. So we're gonna use a total of 12 boxes of Rice-A-Roni.
Yeah, did you hear that? 12 boxes.
You don't need to make the rice.
Well, here's the 6, and then there's the 6 for the rest.
There's 6 there. So 6 boxes of just rice is stuck in with.
It's, okay, so what it is 1 pound ground beef, 1 box of beef Rice-A-Roni, 1 egg, and then a little dash of pepper.
But because we did 6 pounds of ground beef, it's 6 boxes of rice and 6 eggs. And then did you put anything, did you put this, oh, and no seasoning package?
No.
Seasoning packets,
You don't
no.
put that in.
You don't put that in.
Not yet.
Just the rice and the eggs so far. Progress of the meatballs. So how many meatballs do you think 6 pounds of hamburger will make?
Oh, I don't even know. Normally we can fill that pot, both those pots
Okay.
with 3 pounds. About 2.5, 3 pounds, so.
Yeah, so we split it into 3 pounds. And I just have to do 3 different
Batches.
batches.
So 2 pans this size twice will be 6 pounds.
Twice.
Yeah, twice. That's gonna
And
be a
the
lot.
dogs are fighting.
The dogs are
That's new.
fighting.
You just gotta roll it.
We're playing. Speaking of rolling, She's rolling him.
Through the window.
she's kind of rolling him around the ground right now.
And then Augie's just really wanting some food.
He does. Sit down. Sit. Sit.
It's like, no.
Wow. I really appreciate the listening there. Augie, sit. He's a good boy. That's a good boy. He's like, I feel like I should get a treat for that.
Christine got it, like, hold on, are we doing treats right now? Should I sit? Should I sit too?
Whoa. This is our Rice-A-Roni tray.
Sit. Sit. Good job, Bear. Charlie, sit. Charlie. Charlie, sit. And she's the gentle girl.
Actually, Augie's the most gentle person.
More meatball progress.
I'm just finishing the first bowl. So this will be the first batch that we put in. 2 pans.
So this is about 3 pounds-ish.
3 pounds-ish of meat.
3 pounds-ish of meatballs. And we have, how many do we got?
3, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 33. About 33.
So maybe we'll have 60 meatballs with 6 pounds, 65, something like that.
66, 30
Yeah,
people,
that's it.
33.
33 times 2, 66, you're right. Thank you. Now the meatballs get to go in the pans. So Josh is turning the meatballs and browning them on all the sides. And it takes probably only like 10 minutes to do that, I'd say.
Yeah, it doesn't take very long.
And they're both on about 4 for so low.
So low to medium.
Yeah, we're not trying to cook the middle of the meatballs.
Low to medium heat.
Brown that, so.
How'd you make this?
All right, so I took each one of these comes in our box with Rice-A-Roni.
Okay.
So I took 3 packets of that since we're doing half a batch or 1 batch at a time. We had 2 batches. So I took the 3 packages of that and then 3 cups of water and mixed it into this bowl right here.
Okay, now he's pouring the liquid mixture into it so they can just kind of cook in it now.
So about half on that one and then half on the other.
Nice. Now how long does this cook for?
20, 30 minutes.
And you just have to turn it periodically?
Yeah.
And then he's gonna put the lid over it.
So they were on medium, they got to a boil, turned it down to low, put the lid on, and then they cook like this for about 20 minutes and you turn them periodically?
Yeah, I
Turning them
right
periodically.
in the juice.
How is it? It's really good, is he?
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and